In fact, despite the rain, a record-setting pollen count on Sunday of 6,974.
Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys. So I'm wearing my mask in the truck for a reason. You see this? Yeah, that's pollen inside my truck. Which brings us to the topic of today's video. It's a beautiful day here in the A. It's beautiful, it's blue skies, it's springtime. It's wonderful. Temperature is about 65 degrees. And this is everywhere. If you suffer from allergies like I do, and you take Claritin, you take Zyrtec, you take Allegra, you take all three at the same time because you suffer like I do, eyes red, itchy nose, sneezing, scratching, this video's for you. Today I want to talk about how the vehicle you drive and the way you maintain it can actually hurt your allergies and make you suffer even worse. So some of the things on this list may be common sense, some of them might not be, but hear me out. First thing I want to talk about is keep your windows rolled up. You can't ride down the interstate with your top down, your sunroof open, your windows down, and then complain about how you're suffering from allergies, because that's only making it worse. Because clearly, the only thing I did was open and close the doors for the last couple of weeks, and as you see, there's pollen all over the place. If you have AC, run your AC, and keep your windows rolled up. Now, I understand if you don't have AC, that's a whole different story. But if you have AC, it's gonna burn a little bit more gas. Go ahead and run your AC. It's gonna help you. So while we're talking about AC, let me show you something. So here's my AC unit in my 2015 F-150. The most important thing in this springtime of allergies is this button right here. You see that? That button right, focus, focus, focus. This button right here. It shows a car with an arrow pointing around the car on the inside. That is the recirculation button. So if that button is not pressed, not illuminated, then you're getting fresh air from outside. Therefore, you're getting allergies, allergens. Therefore, you're getting allergens, you're getting pollen, and everything else that's bothering you coming from outside the car coming inside. So if you press that button, it'll only recirculate the air that's already inside your vehicle. Very important, very important. With that being said, if the air inside your vehicle already has pollen in it, already has allergens, you need to clean the inside of your vehicle first. That's what we're doing today. We're going to clean the inside of our truck and make sure that the air that's already in here is clean to start with. Before we do that, I'm going to talk about the third thing that can help you, that can help your vehicle stay clean, is your cabin air filter, your in-cabin air filter. So for me, my in-cabin air filter is actually located behind the glove box. And unfortunately, you have to take the glove box apart you have to disassemble the glove box just to get to it. So you have to take the door off, which is actually very simple. You have to take the door off and you have to take this rubber piece off and you'll be able to get to it from here. And it's easy, you just pull it out, pull your old one out, you put your new one in. Very simple. Sorry, that just took my entire attention away from this video. So another silver F-150, that was clean. What was I saying? The next important thing that needs to be done, and this is a must that needs to be done, is cleaning the inside of your vehicle. And with that being said, if you have leather seats, it's easy for you. You just wipe them down. Get your microfiber cloth, or a wipe or something, and just wipe down the interior, your seats, your dash, keep it clean. Now, if you have a cloth interior, cloth seats like I do, I would recommend you either get it detailed, and that can get expensive, but it's worth the money. To shampoo your carpet floor mats, shampoo your seats, and keep it clean. If not, I recommend going to your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace. Go to one of those stores, get a carpet cleaner, and a lot of times they'll ask you if you want the attachments that come with it. It'll be an extra $5, $10, something like that. And get the attachments, and therefore you can clean your seats, you can clean your carpet, you can clean your floor mats, you can clean the entire inside of your vehicle. We have this super clean, it's like slime. It's like a slime elastic thing. I'll open it up and show you what's on the inside. But it also came with these brushes, so you can get all the cracks and crevices. And it came with some, I believe it's a microfiber, but it also came with some wipes to wipe down your surfaces. So We're gonna do that, and then we're going to use Amaral air freshening cleaning wipes to clean down all of our surfaces. Comes out just like this. It's like a little goo, gel, I don't know. It's like a goo gel. It doesn't stick to your hands, but it sticks to your other things, obviously. So what you do is you take it and show you on this vent. Take it and you literally just put it on your vent like this, and then pull it out. And it literally cleans out your vents. Very helpful, because it's hard to get inside these vents. So you just take it, say you squish it in as far as you can, as hard as you can. Squish it in, and then you pull it out. And it will clean the inside of your vents. Therefore getting all the pollen or whatever that's inside of your vents out of your vents. And you can also use this pretty much anywhere, because it won't come apart unless you actually pull it apart. As I was using these cleaning rags, they are leaving behind lint in some places, but they are actually very good to clean your surfaces and also give it a nice fresh clean smell. If you don't have these, you can use a microfiber towel, which actually might work a little better, and just like a spray bottle with some water, maybe a little bit of soap in it, clean down your surfaces. I recommend doing this at least once a week, or at minimum, I would say at minimum twice a week. I'm going to do it once a week depending on the amount of pollen that's in the air and how dirty the inside of this truck gets. And then I hate my truck being dirty anyway, so yeah. These are just a few tips to help keep the allergens in your vehicle down and help you breathe a lot easier. So if all else fails, do like I do. Pray for rain. Just pray for some rain. If we could just get some rain once a week, twice a week, it would clean out all this pollen in the air and we could all breathe a little easier. Anyway, that's my, you saw that? Anyway, that's my 2 cents. These are just a few tips to help you breathe easier. If you have any other tips that you do, put them in the comments below. I want to read. I want to see what you're doing to keep the inside of your car clean and how you're keeping yourself going in this pollen-filled season. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel, Me and Car Keys. We always put out good videos like this to help you maintain your vehicle inside and outside, and upgrades on the modifications on this truck, my 2015 F-150. I'm gonna get back to cleaning. I got the whole back to do. I thought it was gonna take me about 10 minutes. Till next time, thank you for watching. Appreciate it.